InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera for orders. Please check video description. This is the video you must watch. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 50% discount, and this is the discount price $279 US, and actual price $558 US. 50% discount, 300 plus sold, 81 reviews, ratings 4.9. InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera for phone, infrared thermal imager, PCB, circuit repair, industrial heating test, night vision, go P2. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Now I share with you some picture about this product. First one is versatile applications, and -4°F to 1000 plus versatile applications. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much for watching this video.